Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Imagine stepping out into your own garden and plucking leaves, flowers, and stems that can soothe pain, boost immunity, or even fight infections. That's right outside your door. Nature's medicine cabinet is just waiting for you. From herbs that heal cuts and scrapes, to plants that ease stress and improve sleep, today, we're diving into the top 5 powerful medicinal plants you absolutely need in your garden. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other topics you would love to watch. Alright, let's get started. Aloe Vera, the skin soother and healer. Let's kick things off with a plant that's probably already on your radar. Aloe Vera. Known for its fleshy, gel-filled leaves, aloe vera is like the superhero of medicinal plants. Studies have shown it's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe gel contains compounds like aloin and acemannan, which are scientifically proven to help heal burns and minor cuts by speeding up cell regeneration. The cool gel is also a go-to for soothing sunburned skin and keeping it hydrated. Basil, the natural anti-stress warrior. Next up, we have basil. Not only does basil add a delicious kick to your dishes, but it's also packed with medicinal properties. Research indicates that basil contains eugenol, an oil that works as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This plant is known to support stress reduction by balancing cortisol levels, your body's main stress hormone. Basil also has antibacterial properties, making it a natural way to boost immunity and ward off infections. Lavender, the sleep and relaxation booster. If you ever find yourself struggling to relax or get a good night's sleep, lavender is here to help. Studies show that lavender's aroma can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality by encouraging relaxation. The plant contains linalool and linaloyl acetate, which are essential oils that have been proven to help calm the nervous system, ease headaches, and improve sleep. Dear friends, if you are struggling to sleep, you can watch 12 Powerful Foods Stronger Than Sleeping Pills in our channel, link in description, and, of course, in the end screen. Let's start again. Peppermint, the digestive dynamo. Now, here's a plant that's both tasty and powerful. Peppermint. Known for its cooling, minty aroma, peppermint has been studied for its incredible impact on digestion. Research reveals that peppermint contains menthol, which helps relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, making it a natural way to ease indigestion, bloating, and gas. Rosemary, the memory enhancer. Our final powerful plant is rosemary. Often used in cooking, rosemary is packed with health benefits too. Studies suggest that rosemary can improve memory and mental clarity, thanks to compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These powerful antioxidants support brain health and protect it from damage caused by free radicals. So there you have it, 5 incredible plants that not only enhance your garden, but also support your health in surprising ways. From healing skin to boosting brain power, these plants make for a natural pharmacy right in your backyard. Try growing these today and enjoy the endless health benefits they bring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.